So we're going to plant our tomato using this grow bag. This is the Growmore one tomato planter 8 weeks feed, and we've got this tray that we're going to sit our grow bag on, and this is just going to collect all the water, just save it running around. So that just fits right. So the first thing to do is just move it all about. And as we can see, there's 3 holes that you can cut out. But first of all, what we need to do is just to dab a few holes just for drainage, just to let the water out, so we don't want it sitting in the bag. And then we turn our bag over, and then we cut the little shape that it shows. There we go. And then we've got our compost, our grow bag. So we want to plant our tomato deep. So I'm going to use a Ringo, and this will plant the stem deeper and then run that water around the outside. If you haven't got one of these, then just using a flower pot with a hole at the bottom will do just as well. So I'm just going to place my Ringo in the tray. We're going to add a bit of compost. I'm going to take a bit out actually. I'm going to take a bit out. And then we got our tomato. We want to plant this quite deep. So we're just placing the tomato in our ring. Now we can plant it right up to here. Just going to remove those 2 leaves, and we can plant it right up deep. So I'm going to use the Growmore, fill it back up nice and tall, using the rest of the compost, filling it up to the top. There we go. So we water from the top until the roots reach the bottom, and then we just water the Ringo. And that's how we use our grow bag. 1, 2, 3, job done. Let me know in the comments, do you use grow bags and do you use Ringos, or do you just use a flower pot? Let me know in the comments, and that would be great. Please like and subscribe, and we watch these tomatoes grow. Cheers!
So let us know, what grow bag are you using? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Get future updates from another video. Cheers!